Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to solve an exercise in PHP which is a form exercise. So we'll create a PHP file, new file. I'll give it a name, say exercise 1 solved, .php, and I will just write the HTML. So this is Visual Studio Code, and it as I tab with the HTML keyword, it puts the entire template with head, body, and end HTML. All the tags, it creates a complete template for me, shell of a template for me. So I will start with the body, and so this problem is actually a favorite city problem where the user will be prompted to ask his favorite city, and a form, he will be posting his answer in a form text input and click a submit button, and the form will post to another file, and when you browse to that file it will give you the favorite city which is posted from the first form, that is exercise 1 solved, this file. So I will just copy the code which I have put in my clipboard and paste it just to save time, the h2 tag, and then the next part is the form. The method is post because we are use the post method here to post the form to the server, and then prompt the user with please enter your favorite city. Right, and then the input type equals text input. I name this city, and input tag, put a paragraph, p tag, and then I make a input of submit type which is a submit button, type submit, and I'll give it name, click, and a value, also click, and an input, and then end form. My form has just these elements, two elements, end form and body and HTML. Now this form will be posted to another file which is your file.php. So I change the name to your file solved.php, and I'll create this file. So click on new file, and I'll just copy the name from here. Your file solved.php, and in this case also HTML, tab it, so it doesn't create the entire shell for me. Probably doesn't worry. I'll create a head and within that head and head tag I'll put a title. And that title will be simple response favorite city, and then after that this body tag, within the body tag and end body tag I'll create an h2 header, h2 and h2, and this is the favorite city. So previously copied code from the clipboard, paste it over here, and then PHP code starts from here. So question mark PHP and end PHP tag, and within this will have my PHP code. So this I will retrieve the string from post submission. Now the posted variable was city, so I'll store it in another variable on this form, $city equals $_post. So this $_post will give me the value of the city which was posted from the input box in the example1 solved.php file, and the text input was named city. So this will be posted and retrieved and assigned to a variable $city in this form, use file solve.php file, and echo, final echo statement, which will give you your favorite city is your favorite city is $city. So this echo statement is quite smart, and if you write the name of the variable, so it echoes, it gets the name, it gets the variable value from the variable from within the code and echoes it. So that's it. Save this file, and I'll have to browse to my directory like this. I'll copy the path, okay, and I'll run my Apache. Apache is already running, so I'm using port 8000, so it is, let me bring up the browser. So HTTP localhost, it's a different 8080 8000 slash PHP exercises. It was open from previous this thing, and I'll browse it to forms slash access, and let me check it again. Example1 sort.php. I've copied it previously, so example1, I'll just delete the unnecessary bits and enter, and doesn't find the URL. Okay. Okay, PHP exercise. So I made a mistake over here. That's forms. So please enter your favorite city. Christchurch. I enter. Click on your favorite city is Christchurch. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.